Bangalore, the garden city of India. She wears her trees and parks like jewels, and one such gem is situated on the outskirts of the city. A campus that is secluded from the city life of Bangalore and a perfect place to groom an individual to become a leader one day. It is situated about a few miles away from the Mysore Road metro station and has great connectivity to the city, which makes it convenient for students. You know you have reached her when you see a bright pink building wearing her name, IBS, like a crown with pride. Sometimes college campuses situated away from the city trigger an overwhelming emotion for students staying away from home. But this gem of a campus makes her students feel at home. ICFI Business School, IBS Bangalore, is a constituent institute of the ICFI Group. Established in 1995, the institute offers postgraduate program in management in full-time mode at its spacious campus located in southwestern part of Bangalore. The campus celebrates her competitive advantage as a luscious green campus that promotes sustainable development. She is a treasure chest made of gold in the highway and is also a home to a variety of flora and fauna. She welcomes into her open arms a wide range of cloud of birds and embraces them as a part of her beauty. The entrance of the campus is wide and divided. It holds a safe space for walkers that is separate from the vehicle entrance. It is surrounded by bushes and flowers on both sides that lead you to the entrance of the building. The entrance of the building is home to creepers and vines that make you feel welcomed instead of intimidating concrete structures. The campus is flat and spacious with two big quadrangles to accommodate huge numbers of students. The quadrangles, known as the atrium collectively, is the host of all the events that are conducted for a well-rounded student life and their grooming.
Classrooms are the places where the student would spend most of their time in college. They are built in an amphitheater style so that every student gets equal amount of attention. The classrooms are named with the level they are on and assigned by a number on the ground floor. Along with the 9 GCRs, we have the placement cell which every student is keen on discovering, alongside the reception and the faculty wings. Moving on, the first floor we have the FCRs and the renowned Radha Krishna Hall, where induction and several other seminars takes place. On the second floor, we have the Knowledge Resource Center, which is the hub for any book related to our curriculum or even the new additions in the fictional and the non-fictional genre. The campus has an in-house canteen on the ground floor that is for vegetarians and also hosts caterers from outside. Apart from that, we have a huge variety of other food stalls as well. Being at the North Indian canteen near the exit gate or the dosa and Maharashtrian food stalls, having the authentic and pocket-friendly options of munching. Sports is a big part of the life at IBS, and for the same we have separate grounds for each sport, be it the basketball court just when we enter the gate, or be it the volleyball, throw ball, kabaddi, football and cricket ground at the back side of the college, covering a massive area, along with a music room and a gym for enthusiastic students.